Antigua and Barbuda. This is St. John's, the capital city of Antigua and Barbuda, and this is the island of Antigua. As Antigua and Barbuda are two separate islands. Here we can see St. James Fort, that is, and there's a bridge as well for James, yes, and in the distance also the runway as well. And here we can see also the port of St. John's also in the distance. So it is 9:10 a.m. and we're gonna be able to go on land at 10 a.m. and it looks so good indeed. And I'm so happy to be able to explore one more country in the world, country number 64 for me. So I'm so happy about it, to be able to visit Antigua and Barbuda. Well, only Antigua, but it is the country. It's called Antigua and Barbuda. It is 7th of January today, and that is Orthodox Christmas Day, indeed. And I'm gonna be exploring Antigua for 7 hours and 15 minutes. Exactly, that's how much we have land. So, yes, I got very nice breakfast today. Usual omelette and a bagel with cream cheese and cottage cheese and provolone cheese as well. So lots of cheeses. And then I also had some American pancakes that are slightly thicker than the European ones, as everything is double the size in the US. I also had some cereal and orange juice. Now let's take a picture with Antigua while we are still at it. And here I realize it's a better view from here. Right? Amazing. And on the other side it looks even more amazing. It's so beautiful. There we are. Antigua, ladies and gentlemen, and Barbuda. Yes, that is Antigua. St. John, more specifically. And we are now at the port, and soon we will be able to disembark the ship. Let's see how it is on the other side. I see a lot of more greenery on the other side. There is the pool and the slides. Actually, the children's pool that is. And the slides that I have tried so many times, and we'll try them many more times as well. Oh, here we have better views. And we can see some nice beaches as well. Amazing. And we are not the only ship today in Antigua. I see two more, at least two more. There might be more. It seems like a popular destination for cruisers. And the sun is so hot. I hope I will not get burned today. I think I got a bit burned yesterday in Barbados because it was 30 degrees Celsius and so close to the equator. Now we are at least a bit further from the equator in the northern hemisphere. So yeah, it's gonna be a super nice day here in Antigua. And I need to really choose um, which beaches that I'm going to visit. As there are a lot of beaches, but I have only limited amount of time. So it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice indeed. Let's have a glimpse of the port also on the other side. Some people have reserved already their sunbeds. Why are they not going on land? It's so fun to go on land and to explore, right? Let's see. Here we go. It's a port, and the color of the water is interesting. So let's see if Antigua will beat Barbados in the... Definitely, yeah, it's gonna be a super nice day. Yay. Nobody in the pool, despite being opened. And yeah, now let's get ready. I think we're gonna be inland in like 40 minutes, ready to go off the ship. Now it's 9:20. Official time it says 10 a.m., but it might be sooner. As yesterday we went on board 5 minutes earlier. So greetings from Norwegian Breakaway, from the Norwegian cruise line ship. And that we are about to dock at Antigua on the 7th of January, and I'm going to explore the land of Antigua and Barbuda today. So let's go! And yes, this is St. John, it's the capital city of Antigua. And there are a lot of colorful houses, I see. Lots of greenery here at the port. So it's gonna be fun to explore Antigua today. And oh, there we have it. Now the flag of Antigua and Barbuda is on. They had the flag of Barbados yesterday. Today is Antigua and Barbuda. And also the Bahamas, I think it's because it's where this ship is registered. As the Bahamas flag was also yesterday on. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So let's find the beautiful beaches of Antigua. That is pronounced actually Antigua. Alright, 9:30, so 30 minutes until we can go off the ship. So let's go.